What are the IT products, services, and solutions in generic terms, and how are they different from each other?
These terms are a lot of times used interchangeably, but I'll try to put a widely accepted definition to all these three terms. IT services is an all-encompassing term, which means that IT services can be used to describe anything that is related to the IT industry. So it includes things like custom software development and maintenance, and it also includes things like the help desk support that is offered by a lot of companies. So IT services is a very large term that covers most of the IT industry. Solutions typically refers to a combination of custom development, integration, and deployment of off-the-shelf products and custom development software. So you build a solution by using some products that are readily available, making some customizations to them, and developing some software to glue all this together. That typically would be called as a solution. Products are very different from services and solutions. Products satisfy the needs of a large majority of a given target user group. Services and solutions are specific to a customer. Products are not specific to one particular customer. They can be used by a large number of customers. An example of a product would be something like Microsoft Word or Microsoft Office. That's a product that is used by a lot of users, and it is developed for a lot of users. It is typically not customized for any particular user as such. Now, software products are further classified based on the way they are offered to the end user or the end customer. If the products are installed on the customer's systems, they're typically referred to as shrink-wrapped or licensed software. And again, an example of that would be Microsoft Office, which you typically install on your computers. Then there are hosted products which are not installed on the customer's computers, but they're accessed using a web browser, and they're installed on the vendor's systems. An example of a hosted product would be Sales.cloud from a company called Salesforce.com. You don't actually need to install the product, but it is installed in the vendor's location and you use it over the internet. And then there are different ways of making money on these software products. The three largely known revenue models for products are first being the typical license fee model, which again is something that all the Microsoft, Oracle, and other products follow, where you install a software and then you pay a license fee for using that software. The second is what we call as the open source model, where the software is largely free, but you do pay for support and additional customizations and enhancements in the software. And the third is what we call as the adware model, where products are given for free, but the user sees certain ads while using the product, and that is how the company makes money. IDX incidentally falls in the third category, where we have internet cafe management software, which is given for free to cyber cafe owners, but we show ads, and that is how we make money.